So today we're going to do an interesting experiment. You've seen us do this on this channel before, where we take diet soda and Mentos. It's an extremely classic experiment. Well, there's a new version of Mentos right now, and it's like conversation hearts. They've got things printed on them.
Fruit Mentos.
Mm-hmm. And the print, it might make the Mentos react a little bit differently. So let's talk about how that works. So imagine when you open a soda, there are bubbles, right? It's called carbonation. And what happens is carbonic acid is breaking apart into two pieces. You can think of it like that, okay? Well, Mentos, the candies, have little tiny dents on the surface of them. They're microscopic. And if you think of those little tiny dents like this, instead of one breaking apart at a time, if a whole bunch of them were able to break apart at the same time, so they get inside the little dent, and now a whole bunch of them can break up at once, that would make a lot of bubbles. And that's what causes the reaction to proceed so quickly. Now, hold on, gotta unscrew it here.
You have to put that on.
Yes, and then we put the topper on. Now this topper is not required, but it just makes the show more exciting because it forces all of the bubbles into one specific spot, and so it shoots out the top, and it's kind of exciting that way. And so the reason you have to use diet soda is because if you use a sugar-based soda, a soda with sugar in it, it's got too high of a density. You'll get a reaction.
Density?
That means that it's too thick. You'll get a reaction, but it's nowhere near as exciting. And I'm actually really curious to see how it works, because see, these ones have printing on them. And as I'm putting them into the tube here, they actually do feel a little bit different. So these ones with the print, because they've got that edible print on them, it might interact with how many little grooves are on the top.
Can we try some?
Yes, when we're finished, you guys can drink it. I don't think it'll taste very good, but my opinions are usually different from yours in this kind of stuff. So, we put our topper on, and now we move everything out of the way that we don't want to get wet. And
I'm gonna get wet.
you might get a little bit wet. 3, 2, 1, go!
Whoa!
Whoa! Well, I guess we got our answer. It still works, even with the print on it. And now, the reason we have this reaction again is because the Mentos little bubbles all break down at once as opposed to slowly, and it comes shooting out the top because you forced all of that. Thanks for watching. Bye!